Hello, this is a tutorial on HyUI. It's a library which basically acts as an abstraction layer over Hytale's custom UI files. You can write UI files in HTML, or you can write them in Java, just like this. So to get started, you'll need to head over to CurseForge and download the mod and add it to your mods folder. I'll have a link in the description. You then need to add it to your pom.xml. So here's the repository and here's the dependency. To get the version, you just basically go over to the mod. If you click download on the latest version, and this ID up here is the version in the URL. And then you'll need to add the mod to your mods folder, and also over in your manifest.json, you'll need to make sure to add it as a dependency. The mod name is le::HyUI, and you can depend on a specific version or just use an asterisk for all versions. So as I showed before, you can build UI from HTML code, and this is some code for a page, which it's basically got a title, my custom page using HTML. It's got a label inside, which says the number of times you clicked the button, and it's got a button. And then over here, this is how you show the page. So you make a page builder, and you pass in the player ref, and then you give it the HTML. If you're building with Java, you'd put the elements here. I'll show you an example of that after. And then at the end, you need to make sure to open it. And here I'm adding an event listener. So I'm listening for whenever I click the button with ID hi-btn. And this lambda here will be called whenever that happens. So first, it just sends a message to the player. Next, it increments this clicks variable, which is just a static integer. And then it gets the element with the ID label. So it's just this paragraph here. And it sets the text to the number of clicks. And then you need to call context to update page true. And that'll just update the page. And this is an example if you'd rather use Java instead of HTML to make your UI. So you can use Java or HTML for pages and HUDs. I'm just using a page for my HTML and I'm using a HUD for the Java. So here I'm adding an element. It's just a group with the background. It's just a transparent red color. And it's got a layout of middle center, just means the label will be in the center. It's got a width and a height. And then inside it, I'm adding a label with no text, and it's just got the ID label. Then I'm refreshing the HUD every second, or every 1000 milliseconds. This basically means that HUD will be sent to the player every 1000 milliseconds, so if you make any changes, it will only be updated every 1000 milliseconds. And then this lambda gets called whenever the HUD refreshes. So here I'm just getting the label with ID label, and I'm incrementing this variable, which is also just a static integer, and then I'm showing the number of seconds in the text. And I've got all this in the player ready event. So I've had a few people ask me if you can just show HUDs the whole time rather than having to make the player run a command. And you can just do that by putting it in the player ready event. This isn't specific to HyUI, you could do that with normal HUDs too. So if I join my server, first, you can see this HUD in the center of the screen with the red background and the seconds counter here. And then if I type /show page, then I get this page. It says my number of clicks and this button here. And then if I click it, the number of clicks updates and it sends a message in chat. This plugin does support hot reloading. It's not built into HyUI, but if you've got hot reloading set up in another way, such as using mDevTools, I have got a tutorial on that, which I'll link in the description if you want to set up hot reloading. But it does work. So, like, if I go over here and let's say I change the button, so instead of saying it's got say hi, it could be click me. And then I just build that. And then I go over here and type /show page. Then now it says click me. Obviously, if you're using a player ready event, that doesn't get called when you reload. So if I was changing the HUD over here, let's say I made a white background instead of red. Then if I build this, you can see the HUD doesn't change. But if I just rejoin the server, then it will update, and you don't need to reload or restart the server. It's just the event hasn't been called, but now you can see my HUD is white. So these are just really basic examples. They won't work if you've got multiple players, since I'm just storing it in a single integer. You would need to store the integers in a hash map if you wanted to support multiple players, but that's not really the point of this tutorial. I also want to mention this HyUI library is by the same person who made the Hytale UI builder, which is just a visual editor that I've also got a tutorial on that I'll link in the description. But you can make your UI in this, like I can just make a button that has text on it, and you can get the HTML here, and then you can just copy this HTML into the from HTML method. Here's the GitHub, which I'll also link in the description, so you can see the source code. It's not open source is one thing to be aware of. Like the source code is available, but the license is all rights reserved rather than open source license. So you're not allowed to like fork this or anything. And there is some documentation on the GitHub, and I'll link this also, and it just teaches you how to get started, and it goes a bit more in depth in this tutorial, so if you want to learn more, you should go here. Thanks for watching, I hope this helped you. If it did, remember to subscribe.